Hello, I'm Chris Menard. Welcome to my free course on using tables in Microsoft Excel. Feel free to download the one Excel file and run through the exercises, but here's a quick demonstration of what you'll learn. I have a data range and I'm going to convert it to a table. And one of the reasons I want to go to a table is I have up here in Table Styles some quick formatting options so I can change my table. After you change your table, you can turn off the banded rows, turn them back on. I'm going to leave them off and I'm going to go with banded columns. Another advantage of a table is you have what's called total row. It immediately puts a row at the bottom of your table. By default it is set for sum, but you can change that to average. And I'm going to go and average the 2018 orders also. And if you want to, you can turn that off. Another reason for using tables is I want to turn this data range into a chart. But if I add a record in row 6, it will not pick up automatically in the chart with the data range. So I'm going to convert it to a table. I'm going to make a chart. I'm going to put in South Carolina, 42. Notice it picked it up in the chart. If I autofill B1 over to C1, it'll still pick up what I'm typing in the chart. So you have what's called dynamic charts when you have a table. Another reason for using a table, once again I have a data range. If I scroll down, my header row, which is in row 1, disappears. I'm going to convert to a table. I'm going to change the style of the table. When I scroll down, notice my header row is always visible because I have a table. And one of my favorite features about tables, I have 2018 and I have 2019 orders. I want to go over here and find out what the difference is. It doesn't matter where I'm at. When I do equal symbol, tables will automatically give you names and it'll automatically autofill the entire column when I press enter. I don't have to worry about autofill. Hopefully you'll sign up for my class that's free. No credit card is required, just a name and an email. Thank you.